Funexpected. Hi, what do you know about numbers up to 10? Let's remember everything together. 5 fingers and 5 more give 10, just like 2 hands, yours and mine. Now if I fold 1 finger and you add 1 finger, we'll have 4 and 6. Now let's move another finger from me to you. We've got 3 plus 7. And what do you see now? It's 2 and 8. They give 10 in total too. Let's make this trick one more time. We've got 1 and 9. Now you know you can split 10 into 2 parts in different ways. If you ever forget, you can always check by looking at your fingers. And now it's puzzle time. Let's go. I had 10 eggs, but chicks hatched from 3 of them. How many eggs are left? Hold up 10 fingers. Then fold 3 fingers. That's the answer.
7.
Right?
10 little windows in the night. 5 are dark and 5 are bright. Jane comes home, turns on her light. 6 are on and 4 not quite. Bob is back now from the park. 7 are bright and 3 are dark. Mia's back, her window's late. 8 are shining, 2 still wait. Ben returns with a happy grin. 9 are glowing, 1 is dim. Judy's home, she flips the switch. 10 are shining bright and rich.
Did you know? If there are just a few objects, you don't have to count them one by one. Sometimes I can tell how many objects there are just by looking. That's 2. That's 4. 3. 5. The smaller the number, the easier it is. Want to practice together? Let's go. Find all pictures with 5 dots. Done.
I look at dots and I can say how many dots there are right away. No need to count them one by one. I see it fast, it's so much fun. 4, 3, 5, 5, 2. My eyes are quick, they're super wise. I'm getting good at stupid ties.
My friend left me a puzzle. He got 1 new toy every single day. Day 1. Day 2. And so on.
3, 4, 5.
So, how many toys did he have on day 5? Got it? We were adding 1 for each day. Want to try one more puzzle? Let's go. I see 9 red monsters. If we include the blue monster, how many monsters are here in total? We know there are 9 red monsters, no need to count again. Add 1 blue and boom! How many are there now?
10.
That's it.
1, 2, 3. If you have 2 funny frogs and 1 more hops out of the bog, now it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Find the next and there you'll be. So to add 1 more to 5, count to 5, then take a dive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Just add 1 and no more tricks. It's done.
I want you to meet some of my best friends. The numbers. Can you put them in the right order? Let's try together. Let's go. Help me put the numbers in order.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Super.
Let's count the numbers, here we go. 1 by 1 and in a 7, 8, 9, 10.
Do you like playing on a seesaw? You can actually use it to see who's heavier. Look, if a little mouse sits on one side, the seesaw tilts toward her. But if an elephant sits on the other side, whoa, he's much heavier. The seesaw tilts to the other side. Scales work the same way. We use balance scales to find out how heavy things are. If the scales stay balanced, it means the weights on both sides are equal. Look here. On the left there's a little chick, and on the right we have two weights, 1 pound and another 2 pounds. That's 3 pounds in total. So the chick must weigh 3 pounds too.
Ta-da!
Want to play with the scales? Let's go! How many apples will balance one cat? This is a tricky one. There are apples on both sides, but I think all the apples are exactly the same. So, if I take away one apple from each side, it's still balanced. If I take away 2, still balanced. Even 3, balanced again. Now there are 4 apples left on the left side. And on the right, a cat. Looks like we've figured out the answer.
4.
Well done!
There was a tiny fellow who'd fit upon a plate. His height could make him proud, but he wished to know his weight. He also liked the fruits, so on one of summer days, he wandered to a market, and there he saw the scales. There was a 4-pound weight already on one pan. The other held a weight marked with a massive 10. 4 pounds are clearly lighter, presumed the little man. He hopped onto that lighter side. The scales were balanced then. So 10 is 4 and 6, right? He counted without tricks. With 4 I weighed to 10, so alone I must weigh 6. Do you know what you weigh now? Let's try it out, hooray! Set up a fun experiment and find the scales today.
Do you have a ruler? I do. Did you know that you can easily add numbers with the ruler? Here, I'll show you. To add 5 plus 3, I put my finger on number 5. Then I take 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. And I land on 8. That's my answer, 8. But I can also subtract using the ruler. Let's take away 2. For that, I need to take 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. And now I'm at 6.
Ta-da!
Puzzle time. Let's go. What number will the bug reach if it crawls 3 centimeters right, then 8 centimeters left? The bug walks 3 steps to the right, it will land on 8. And if it goes 8 steps to the left from 8? Oh wow, it will go all the way back to the start of the ruler. That means 0.
0.
Right?
From number to number, like playing hopscotch, and going ahead is like adding 1 watch. Go right on the ruler, the numbers will grow. Go left, which is backwards, now smaller they go. Each step on the left is subtracting 1c. To add and subtract, use the ruler with me. Go right on the ruler, the numbers will grow. Go left, which is backwards, now smaller they go.
We will play with addition. Addition is when we have some objects, then we add some more and see what happens. I have 2 candies, and I have 5 more. That will be 2 plus 5. How many is that? We can count. So it's 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. We did it, but that was a bit slow. What if we switch the piles? Now I have 5 plus 2. Let's count again, so it's 5, then 6 and 7. That was much faster, wasn't it? And the result is the same. Now it's puzzle time. Let's go. Can you find 3 equal sums? So we know that you can switch the places of addends and the result will still be the same. Look, I see 7 plus 2, and 2 plus 7. They're equal, both make 9. Where else do we get a sum of 9? I think I found it. Done.
3 on my left hand and 5 on my right. Together that's 8. You and I are so bright. Now 5 on my left hand and 3 on my right. It still will be 8. Oh, what a delight. Change the order. I love this game. The sum doesn't change. It's always the same. 1 block on the bottom and 4 on the top. That's 5, you can count it. There's no need to stop. If I stack 4 blocks and then I add 1, it still will be 5. Addition is fun. Change the order. I love this game. The sum doesn't change. It's always the same.
Hey, wanna know a secret? I can recognize 3 dots super fast. Look, here they are in a line, and here in a triangle shape. 2 groups of 3? That always makes 6. And sometimes one group of 3 is a triangle and the other is a line. Together they make a big triangle. That's also 6. Wanna give it a try? Let's go! I wanted to put 6 fruits on each plate. Pick all the correct plates. I see 3 apples and 3 pears, that's 6. And here, 3 red apples at the bottom, 2 green ones above, and a tangerine on top. Now here, 5 tangerines and 2 bananas. That's 7. Nope. And the last card, 5 apples and 1 pear. Yes, that's 6. Let's go with that one. Super.
3 dots, I know them fast. In a row or triangle, they don't go past. 2 groups of 3, yes, that makes 6. 3 groups of 3, that's 9, I see it quick. 5s are also easy to spot. 4 on corners and 1 central dot. Or 3 on bottom, 2 on top. Count with a glance, I never stop. Group by group, it's much more fun than to count them one by one.
Hey, wanna play a board game? This is my meeple. And this one is yours. The numbers go in order. 0 is the start, we begin here. Then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called a number line. There are lots and lots of numbers on it and they just keep going. Now I roll the dice and move along the track. I got a 3. So I take 3 steps forward, 1, 2, 3. Now I'll roll the dice for you. It's a 5. Your meeple moves 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got more points than me. Oh well, maybe I'll get luckier next time. Time for a question from me. Let's go. Which game piece will reach the finish in 3 steps? Let's take 3 steps forward in each picture. Now here. I think we already know the answer. Great,
I go. I'd love to roll a 6 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yay! How many dots the dice will show? That's how many steps I go. And now I see a 4, alright. 7, 8, 9, 10, what a ride! How many dots the dice will show? That's how many steps I go.
Today we will be counting things. Just point to each one only once and say 1, 2, 3, and so on until there's nothing left to count. Want to try it together? Let's count these aliens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 aliens. Now it's puzzle time. Let's go. I wanted to put 3 fruits on each plate. Pick all the correct plates. Done.
How do we count these treats so sweet? Just point to each and don't repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's thrive. We did it right, we counted 5. Count up high, reach the sky. Pencils, apples, 1, 2, 3. Count each step, come count with me. Watch the numbers fly. Oh, see.
Hi there. Look how I move the meeple along the path. Let's try to reach number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, I jumped all the way to 8. What should I do? Let's take one step back. That's better. 8 minus 1 is 7. Want to practice finding one less? Let's go. If one hoopoo flies away from each tree, where will there be exactly 2 hoopoo left? So if one hoopoo flies away from each tree, the trees will look like this. So which tree will have just 2 hoopoo left? You're correct.
If you count and go too far, just step back and be a star. Look at numbers, don't you stress. We'll be practicing one less. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now you've got the counting clue. Now you've got the counting clue.
That was fun. Want to make more discoveries? See you in the next video.